Welcome to Aokman Drive. Today I will show you how to quickly inspect R-Series helical gearbox after you receive it. First, nameplate check. Make sure the specification matches your orders, including the power, the ratio, and the models, and the mounting positions, and the terminal box locations. Second, the visual inspection to check the appearance of the gearbox, including the cracks, the dents, and the rust, also the damage. The third, the dimension inspections, and checking the dimensions according to the drawings, including the center height, also the space between the bolt holes. 4. The key components check. Check the output shaft for damage. The more important, please remember to remove the rubber ring before operating the gearbox. The nameplate check, the visual inspection, the dimension inspection, the key components check. This is our quickly inspection guide. Follow us for more gearbox tips. Any question, please comment below. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.